Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the Home Launcher app back to default One UI Home in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on home app. So from here you can set the home launcher app back to default One UI home. So if you have selected installed and selected any other option, then select One UI home. So that's how you can set default home launcher app back to One UI home in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.